to have content.
So we just got here to Granada and it's already amazing. I literally have 30 minutes, so I'm walking to the Adidas store because where else would I be? But this city is beautiful and I can't wait to explore it more. We've got like 3 or 4 days here. I'm absolutely making the most of it. I'm going to shop so much. My suitcase is going to be so heavy. 100% worth it. Good morning from Granada. It is our first full day here. We've got a lot of walking to do today, but it's relatively cool out, which is really nice. I'm really excited. We're gonna see some really cool stuff. Had a really nice breakfast. The hotel's really nice. The view is absolutely amazing from here. It's a little overcast, which is okay because it's not as sunny, it's not as bright, it's not as hot. So yeah, exciting walking tour today. So let's do it. Okay, we're here in Granada, just hanging out. Just had some nice lunch. The city's really beautiful, I don't want to go. We're visiting the Alhambra today. It's this really cool, like, old castle thing that's, like, really old. But, yeah, it's a lot of fun. Dodging and weaving through traffic. Gotta do what you gotta do. So yeah, gonna go fly my drone a little more, because what else would I do to explore the city? Did some shopping yesterday. It's beautiful. Great weather out today. Saw some great cathedrals, saw some really cool, a monastery.
English, mother, do you speak it?
A lot of really great stuff. Heck yeah.
know if that's what it's called.
So we're here at the Alhambra. It's beautiful. There's so many beautiful flowers and beautiful buildings and amazing views, and I wish I could stay and see more, but we gotta kind of hurry through this. But it's ridiculous and gorgeous, and I absolutely love it. So I wish I could just stay here forever. This is ridiculous. Alright, my camera battery is about to die, so no more B-roll, no more vlogs from here.